Hello guys, it's Lola. So in this video, I'm going to compare two different makeup remover, and both claims that they remove eye makeup. One is Estee Lauder Gentle Eye Makeup Remover, and the other one is Cetaphil Budget Friendly. Cetaphil Gentle Makeup Remover. It does not say eye makeup remover, but I actually put the eye makeup remover as a keyword when I searched it and bought it. It was about $4 something, I believe, from Amazon. So I'm going to compare these two, like which one works better for the eye makeup. Let me grab a cotton pad. So I'll try the Estee Lauder, the half, and the other half, the Cetaphil. I really need effective eye makeup remover because the mascara I love is not easily removed. It never smudges and it's hard to remove. So here we go, Estee Lauder. I'm going to saturate the cotton pad with this, and we'll put it on eye and leave it for a few seconds. Oh, second, and let's do quickly. Let's move quickly. And Cetaphil, and I'll hold it for like 10 seconds, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's see. So here is the difference on cotton pad. So this is the Cetaphil and this is the Estee Lauder eye makeup remover. As you can see, Cetaphil worked much better. As you can see, the black color right here, some of mascara came off. And I don't see any black right here, even though it claims it's specifically for eye makeup. Okay, let's try to remove it. Okay, this was a Cetaphil, and definitely Cetaphil wins for what it does. See the difference. And another difference I can feel is that even though this Estee Lauder is not doing well removing the mascara, I don't feel any irritation in my eye on this side, because like while I was rubbing, some of this makeup remover got into my eyes and I kind of feel a bit of irritation on the Cetaphil side, and I don't feel anything bad with the Estee Lauder. Maybe that was why Estee Lauder was claiming it's for the eye makeup removal, because it's more safer for the eyes. And the Cetaphil label says leaves eye area feeling clean and refreshed with no oil residue. It doesn't say anything that I cannot use this on eye, but it's kind of encouraging me to use this for eye makeup as well. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helps. Don't forget to subscribe my channel down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.